Rubizam presents the pros and cons of keto diet. Pro: weight loss. In a typical diet plan, your body burns carbs for energy. Nevertheless, when you restrict carbs, your body will certainly start shedding fat to utilize for energy rather. This suggests that you shed body fat faster. In addition, the keto diet's technique of enhancing foods that are high in fat can assist to get rid of food cravings as well as sensations of cravings. Con: fewer carbs isn't necessarily a good thing. Some individuals, particularly professional athletes, require consuming a high carbohydrate diet plan in order to keep their bodies fit for their workout routines. The keto diet plan might lead to much less energy as well as endurance in professional athletes. A high carbohydrate diet plan, nevertheless, has a tendency to advertise much better efficiency as well as energy. Pro: it might be helpful for the days spent at your desk job. Unless you are a professional athlete, you most likely do not do many extreme workouts. Rather, a lot of us devote our time resting at a work desk in front of a computer. In this instance, your body does not require many carbs and might operate well on a low-carb diet plan such as keto diet. Con: you may not be getting enough sugar. Many individuals do not understand that our body requires sugar to function properly as well as assist our brain works properly. If you are not consuming carbohydrates, sugar cannot enter your bloodstream, causing you to feel low on energy and incapable to concentrate. Pro: it may help prevent cancer. Studies have shown that there might be a link between extremely reduced carb diet plans as well as cancer cell avoidance. However, this is still being examined and there is not yet sufficient proof to demonstrate how precise the claim might be. Con: it could have a negative impact on heart health. A lot of foods that make up the keto diet are high in saturated fats and meats. These can enhance cholesterol, which often results in the danger of cardiovascular disease. Final thoughts. When the advantages and disadvantages of the keto diet are held up beside one another, one may conclude that the keto diet is advantageous for certain individuals for a short amount of time. While athletes and individuals with a risk of heart disease might wish to try a different diet plan. However, before you start the keto diet plan, it is highly recommended that you consult with your doctor first.